I might be a chef one day. I don't know if I want to be. So I might just cut these, dice these apples up, and then do something else with them. Put them inside or something. These could be for me though. Care about nobody else. Eating baby. Ew. I might dice some. See how they diced up like this. What you want to give me some spinach right here.
Change much.
Oh,
It's my mama.
why?
I don't know.
Am I in trouble?
Mm-mm.
Kai, can you like watch my stuff for me?
Sure.
Watch that spinach up.
I'm watching Trinity's food until she comes back. So, a few minutes ago, I made a delicious grilled cheese sandwich. She really cut these. Oh, good. Here she comes.
Huh? I said wash my spinach off. What did you do? They even wash it off. Okay, so at 30 seconds. Okay. I could probably make some apple pie if I put it in a microwave. Yeah, I probably can. Kaia, take this to your mama. Okay, that was a wild card. So I gotta I'm finna rinse. See how nice this is? It's a squirter, so gotta turn this thing around and rinse my spinach so it can be good. Yeah, pour the juice out. I shake it up. Okay, I gotta remove the camera back where it was. Okay, dice the apples a little bit more so they could be good. The spinach is not gonna go inside the apple. It's gonna be a topping. It's just gonna be a topping. It's just something. Can take few pieces of spinach. Put it on my napkin. So next, let me get a paper plate. Gotta rinse the cup out. gonna have to get some cinnamon. Cinnamon. Then put it inside of the cup. So the apples should be like a cinnamon filling type. Then put some cinnamon on top of the apples. Make sure the apples taste sweet and good. Don't make them too cinnamon type. Okay. I'm gonna need some sugar. I need a spoon to make it make the sugar not so much. Grab like a spoonful of sugar. Put the whole thing if I have to. Then put some sugar inside of the cup. Then put on the apples to make sure that it's good. Okay, wash my spoon off. I'm gonna take the spoon again and wipe it. Set it to the side. Put my sugar back. Okay. Then I dump. Put some of my apples up in here. Inside of my cup. Put the apples inside of the cup. Till like it melt inside of the cup. Because I already tried on the stove. It's disgusting. So I tried it in the cup.
What you up to?
I'm finna put this in the microwave to melt it.
Why?
So it could be good.
Okay, but don't blow up the microwave.
Who said I was gonna blow up the microwave?
I didn't say you were going to. I was saying. Don't.
Wash this off.
Sure.
Not actually wash it off.
Wash it off. But you need to wash it off. Wash it off.
Gonna need some chocolate syrup.
Wait, what?
Wait, no.
Yes! We need chocolate syrup to melt.
Oh, yeah. Wait, I need a dash of butter.
Yeah.
To make it buttery.
The butter is in the can. And I need the butter too. I gotta turn the eye back on. Guys, make me another grilled cheese. That's fine.
Butter back in.
That was fine. This time I'm gonna put
Okay,
triple cheese.
put the butter on top.
Alright, y'all, I'm about to make
Make a different video. It's gonna be a different video.
wait.
After
See you
we
later.
finish.
This is Nesquik chocolate syrup.
I'm finna use this to make it with the apples. So I'll put some butter on top of the apple. Ooh, I got my butter. It's okay.
Add a little chocolate.
Chocolate filling.
Don't use all of it. I need that for chocolate milk.
I do too. Yeah. Then let it just run.
Don't do it.
Let it run through for a little while. Then you're gonna have to pound it, mix it. Ooh, this looks so good. See how it's
Is it good?
I should just leave it just like this.
Yeah, just leave it like that. It doesn't really matter.
I gotta melt the butter.
Yeah, go ahead.
I gotta melt some butter, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it just like this. And then put this on the side of the cup. My last thing is I need a bowl. Yeah, a bowl. Can't you put glass in a microwave?
Why? No, no.
Okay.
Do you ever watch TV shows?
Yeah, that's why cooking came into me. So they took my soul.
Get ready for the next episode.
I'm gonna melt some butter and then I'm gonna.
Why?
I'm making a soup.
Are you making secret dessert? You making secret dessert?
Yeah, for sure.
My bowl.
Oh, just get out.
Plastic. I need a cup.
There. Oh.
Wait. Should I use a cup or a plate?
You should use a plate. I don't think cups will work. Anywho, so she's gonna put the plate
I'm
in
gonna
the
add a little bit more cinnamon.
just
on
to
the
get some
apples.
flavor.
And just to make it a little tastier.
Yeah.
That too.
Yep. Look at all that cinnamon.
Go get me some chocolate filling and then just put it in the.
Alright. And now we're gonna grab some more chocolate filling.
To make it taste a little sweeter. Okay, girl. Gotta melt a little.
And just sprinkle it on there like, oh my gosh, on it.
I'm about to melt the butter.
And you see how it melted right away, right into the cinnamon? Yeah, that's
So
how we
put the
want.
butter up.
I need the butter.
Okay.
For the next episode.
Okay. So I'm gonna put the butter in and let it melt for about like 10 seconds. No,
I can have the butter started.
yeah, 10. Then we're gonna drizzle the butter on here and then I'll just taste it.
And see how good it tastes, because I know it's going to be real good.
Seconds. Because the other butter didn't melt. Only the first one did. So after the butter melts, I'm gonna drizzle it on top.
It's ready.
See, the butter is melting there. I can't really show you fully, but that's gonna be good.
You can see it. Ah, get it all juicy. Mm-hmm.
It's butter, so if you guys think this is disgusting, it might not be.
You just gotta taste it first. Butter gives flavor.
Butter makes it sweet, pretty much. Okay. Yeah, so my finishing touch, all I gotta do is stir it up with fork. No, I set it right here for a reason.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Okay, I'm finna try it. Right after I add some sugar. Sugar, sugar, sugar. Sugar, sugar, sugar. Sugar, sugar, sugar. If you guys think this too big, it's not.
You need a right amount of sugar.
This is Ooh, almost knocked the sugar over.
That won't be good.
Okay, almost done with our dessert.
Mm-hmm.
The only thing is you just gotta try it.
Is it good?
Mm.
And we have a winner.
Yeah, million stars is good.
Woo! And thank you for cooking on the
Trinity and Kaia cooking show.
Get ready for our next episode in 3, 2, 1.